So I'm a medium-sized Shopify seller. I've been doing this for more than 5 years. And I've run into some people who have 50 different apps they're using on their Shopify store. These are the ones that I'm using. And some of them are pretty important, like they're necessary for my business, like the reviews app, Klaviyo, frequently bought. But others are not useful at all, like Flow. I never use it, even though Shopify gives it to me for free. This one right here, top of the list, shipping manifest. This is a hugely important app to have on your Shopify store if you do lots of shipping through the US Postal Service. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to click this app, shipping manifests. It'll open up the app. And basically what this does, you can see that in the past I've created manifests. A manifest is also called a US Postal Service scan sheet. And it basically puts all of the packages you have going out to the post office that day onto a single barcode, a single piece of paper. And this is how you do it. You press create manifest, you select the location where you're shipping from and make sure you have the right date. So this is the correct date, Monday, December the 2nd. I'm going to select the location that this particular order is going out for. You can see I have a whole bunch of US Postal Service labels which are going out today. Priority mail, ground advantage. There's 12 of them. If I took these packages down to the post office and just handed them across the counter, it would probably take them a couple minutes to scan them all. The post office doesn't like when I do that, or when anybody does that. They basically just want to be able to scan once or scan as few times as possible, and then get work on the next customer and do what else they need to do. And they're pretty busy at this time of year, as you can imagine. But by creating a manifest, what's going to happen is Shopify will take all of these shipping labels and the tracking codes on them, put them on a single piece of paper, kind of encoded in a single barcode. The post office worker will just scan that one barcode, and then all 12 of these packages will be put into the system. I just hand them across the counter and we're done. I've done this before in really heavy shipping years for like 50 or maybe even more packages at a time, or when they were picking up at our old warehouse that we had. I would just put the bins out there with a scan sheet on top, and that would save the guy driving the truck a lot of work. All he needed to do is scan them, throw them in the truck, and we were good. We never had any problems with it. The post office likes using it. It's also easy for you. It kind of forces you to check how many shipments you have going out at once, and basically the app is free. So why not use this app? Save yourself some time, save the post office some time and some aggravation, and it basically makes everybody happy.